What is the quickest way to start making money from trading Forex? Well, there's a ton of steps and you're probably going to go through YouTube and Google and type in things like how to make money from trading Forex. Stop doing that because I'm going to show you in this video how to really develop a strategy and how to make that strategy perfect to actually duplicate results and how you're going to be able to 10x those results within a 3 to 6 month duration. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys that my last and final Forex program is dropping on June 30th at 12 p.m. PST. There is a link in the description where you can get on the wait list, or just put June 30th at 12 p.m. in your calendars for my course launch. I'll be launching on my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Also, if you guys could like this video, that would be great. It shows me that you support me, and also all these videos that I'm making take hours to make, and I'm giving it to you guys for free. So that's the least that you guys can do. Now, without further ado, let's get into the sauce. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is figure out what currency pair we're going to be trading. Here's a little hack. If you live in America, USD pairs are going to be great for you because they coincide with the New York session. Now, if you live in Europe and neighboring countries, pairs like Euro GBP, GBP JPY are going to be great for you because when those currency pairs are moving, it will be daytime for you guys. So it just makes sense to do that. Next, you need to really figure out what strategy you're using. What type of strategy works for you and what strategy have you tested that have really brought you profitable results over a very long period of time. Now, if you are new to trading, what I would recommend that you guys do is back test. And the way that we're going to do this is you need your sessions indicator. So once you have your sessions indicator, you're going to be able to see what session you're going to be trading. So this blue highlighted part right here is the New York session. That is the session that I personally trade. So if you go back in time, really what you're going to do is start from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. And what I like to do first is just look at one key time, like 6 to 7 p.m. or 6 to 7 a.m. There seems to be a nice reversal candle and then a big move. So I'm going to look at those times right here. We have 6 to 7, nice move up, and then a nice move down, okay? 6 to 7 right here, boom, pushes up. So really what I'm doing is figuring out what time is the market moving. And I'm really figuring out my strategy. Okay, I'm going to be trading from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. I'm going to be looking for this specific setup. So you really need to have all that information already internalized as to what kind of trader you are. Are you swing trading the market? Are you scalping? And this is going to take time, and that's completely fine. Do not come into this industry thinking you're going to make money right away because you have to become a completely different person to actually understand the skill of trading. And it's going to take time. So if you aren't willing to dedicate 3 years into trading, this isn't for you. Go find a get rich scheme or start scamming. Do whatever you want to make money quick because this is not quick money. Well, let me tell you this. If you dedicate 3 years into understanding this craft and understanding yourself as an individual, you're going to have a breakthrough. You're going to understand how the markets work, and you're going to develop a strategy that works time and time after again that you're going to have for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. So this is a skill set that once you understand how it works, you're going to have this skill set for the rest of your life. So that's what you guys need to do is figure out what is your strategy. Now, obviously, trading really depends upon like the profits that you're going to be making. The bigger profits that you want to be making, the more money you're going to have in your trading account. I would not recommend trading with a couple $100. Like, I've had people DM me like, hey, do you do account management for $100? I'm like, bro, you can't do anything with $100. What are you talking about? That's ludicrous. Like, what are you going to do with $100? Flip it to $200 in 10 months? Like, you also need to realize, like, to go from $100 to $200, that's a 100% ROI. I don't think you guys understand how valuable it is to even be doing a couple percentages each month. There's investors that have millions of dollars in index funds that are only making like 5% on their money per year. So to be making 5 to 10% a month is very, very good. And I want you guys to understand that because a lot of you are coming in and you're like, I just want 100% my account. It's like, all right, that's awesome. It's definitely doable, but really from an investor standpoint, you guys need to understand, like, this isn't like we're risking our whole account to make 100%. Like, that's stupid. So for you to come in, like, if you're saying, oh, I'm going to just put a couple $100 in my account, like, you're obviously one of those people that's like, all right, I'm trying to get rich real quick. Like, let's just make money. Let's make money. Guys, stop. I don't even want to cuss. Stop thinking about making money. Think about you becoming an individual that you've never seen. Think about you bringing out a side of yourself that you've never seen before, because that's what it's going to take to actually really see success in this industry. And nobody seems to freaking get that because they want it all the easy way. Everyone wants it the easy way. And this is how I know literally 99% of people in this world are lazy, because when you go to a parking lot, 99% of the cars, they're just pulling in. So everyone wants it easy at first. But when you have to back out, that's a lot harder to back out than first back in your car. Do it the hard thing first, and then once you pull out, it's easy. People are fucking lazy, and I don't know what's going on, but if you're a lazy person, trading is not for you. Don't bring that lazy mentality to this. So once you have understood your strategy and you've tested it on a demo account for a couple months and it's profitable, boom, put some money into a trading account. And I made a video a couple videos back where I should link it right here, where I talk about how to leverage credit to start trading money. You guys can get a loan as well. That's how you're really going to see quick returns very quickly, because like I said a second ago, when you're trading with more money, you're going to see bigger ROI. So think of it like this. If you have $10,000 in your account, if you just do 3% on that $10,000, that's $300. Imagine you do that for 20 days. That's $6,000 a month coming in on your $10,000 account. And you could literally do that if you're very smart with your trade setups. You obviously want to be looking for a high reward but low risk setups. That's what I aim for as a trader. So when I'm trading US 30, that's really what I'm looking at. I'm looking for these high probability trades with very low risk. So overall, that's how you guys are going to be able to see quick profits. I know you were probably thinking this was going to be a crazy video where I have some hack or something like that. No, I really don't. This is all that it takes. And the number one factor as to how you're going to become successful in this industry, it's one word, guys. One word and one word only. Consistency. If you're more consistent, you're going to be able to understand, like, okay, well, I'm not going to see results the first year. I probably can, but I'm not betting on it. I know in the next 3 to 5 years, though, I'm going to start seeing results. The money's going to come in. I'm going to understand myself more, my strategy. I'm going to perfect it, and boom, then the results are going to come. I don't understand, excuse me, I don't understand how people are so lazy in today's society, and it sucks. Everyone wants it easy. And they're always complaining, oh, I don't make enough money, I'll do this. It's like, guys, you're paid for the value that you bring to the marketplace. So if you want the markets to pay you out, what do you have to do? You have to freaking understand these markets. You have to study them for hours each day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Peace.